Have you ever wondered how one of the world's most successful cricketers, Virat Kohli, started his journey? Born on a crisp November day in 1988, in the pulsating heart of India, Delhi, a legend was in the making. Young Virat Kohli, filled with dreams and an unrivaled passion for cricket, started his journey on dusty cricketing grounds and bustling streets. He was not just another boy charmed by the spirit of cricket. He was a boy who lived and breathed the game. His love for the sport was apparent even at that tender age. The cricket bat was not just a piece of equipment, it was an extension of himself, a symbol of his hopes and dreams. Cricket was not just a game for him, it was a way of life. As his passion for cricket bloomed, so did his skills. Virat's quick progression through the ranks of youth cricket was a testament to his raw talent and sheer determination. His relentless practice, his unwavering focus, and his deep understanding of the game set him apart from his peers. The first major breakthrough in Virat's cricketing journey came in 2008, when he led the Indian team to a glorious victory in the Under-19 World Cup. This was not just a victory, it was a statement. A statement that a new star had arrived on the international cricket scene. A statement that this young boy from Delhi was destined for greatness. His performance in the Under-19 World Cup did not go unnoticed. The world started to take notice of this young, aggressive batsman who played the game with a fire in his eyes and an unyielding spirit. That victorious moment in 2008 marked the beginning of an illustrious international cricket career for Virat Kohli. This was just the start of his journey, a journey that would take him to the pinnacle of international cricket and etch his name in the annals of cricketing history. And as we all know, the rest is history. From his debut in 2008, Kohli's career took off like a rocket. Imagine a young, ambitious player stepping onto the international cricket stage. That was Virat Kohli. He was not just another newcomer. He was a force to be reckoned with, a storm waiting to unleash. He quickly became a linchpin in the Indian cricket team, thanks to his unique blend of aggression, athleticism, and competitiveness. His batting style was like a breath of fresh air. It was aggressive, yes, but it was more than that. It was a statement, a declaration of intent that he was here to dominate, to conquer, and to make his mark. And make his mark he did. His exceptional athleticism allowed him to turn the impossible into the possible, to snatch victory from the jaws of defeat. His competitive spirit drove him to push his boundaries, to strive for perfection in every facet of the game. He was not just playing cricket, he was living it, breathing it, embodying it. His performances on the field spoke volumes. They were not mere numbers on a scoreboard. They were tales of determination, of courage, of an unyielding will to succeed. Some of his top performances during this period became the stuff of legends. They were not just cricketing feats, they were testaments to his indomitable spirit. But it was not just about individual brilliance. Kohli's performances were instrumental in steering the Indian team towards numerous victories. He became the team's backbone, their pillar of strength, their guiding light. His contributions went beyond the runs he scored or the catches he took. He brought a sense of belief, a sense of purpose, and a sense of unity to the team. And so, as the years rolled by, Kohli's status within the team evolved. He was not just a player anymore, he was a leader, a role model, a beacon of inspiration. With his consistent performances, Kohli not only became an indispensable part of the team, but also a leader. His journey to the top was not just about personal glory, it was about leading his team to the pinnacle of success. In 2013, Kohli took on a new challenge, becoming the captain of the Indian cricket team. A role of immense responsibility and prestige, this was a testament to his exceptional skill and dedication to the sport. As captain, Kohli emphasized an aggressive, fearless style of play, inspiring his teammates to push their boundaries and play to their fullest potential. His leadership style was a reflection of his own approach to the game, passionate, relentless, and fiercely competitive. Under his captaincy, the Indian cricket team achieved numerous victories. They won series in Australia and England, conquered the Asia Cup, and reached the semi-finals of the World Cup. These victories were not just about the scoreline, but the spirit and determination with which they were achieved, a testament to Kohli's leadership. But Kohli wasn't just a leader, he was also a performer. Even with the weight of captaincy on his shoulders, his personal performance didn't falter. He continued to churn out runs, smashing centuries and breaking records. His ability to maintain such a high level of performance while leading the team was nothing short of remarkable. His tenure as captain was a period of growth and success for Indian cricket. It was a time when the team not only won matches, but also won respect and admiration from cricket fans around the world. Under Kohli's leadership, the Indian team reached new heights, further solidifying his legacy. But Virat Kohli's influence extends beyond the cricket field. Off the pitch, he's a man of many roles. As a philanthropist, he's made significant contributions to numerous causes. His foundation, the Virat Kohli Foundation, actively works towards the empowerment of underprivileged kids, providing them with access to education and sports facilities. His commitment to social causes is as formidable as his cover drive. As a businessman, Kohli has shown an astute understanding of the market. His clothing brand, Rogan, mirrors his bold and unconventional style, appealing to the youth. His investment in tech startups showcases his forward-thinking mindset and his belief in India's digital future. But perhaps his most influential role is that of an icon. With his intense passion and dedication, Kohli has inspired a whole generation of cricket aspirants. His fitness regime, his disciplined lifestyle, and his unwavering focus are lessons not just for budding cricketers, but for anyone who aspires to excel in their field. He's also used his platform to address important issues. From advocating for animal rights to promoting a healthy lifestyle, Kohli has used his influence to effect positive change. His words and actions resonate with millions, making him not just a cricketing legend, but a role model. Kohli's dedication to his sport and his commitment to making a difference off the field have made him a true icon of cricket. As we reflect on Virat Kohli's career, one thing is clear. His journey has been nothing short of inspirational. A journey that saw a young boy from Delhi rise to become one of the greatest cricketers of all time. Kohli's aggressive batting style, exceptional athleticism, and fierce competitiveness have set new standards in the sport. His numerous records, match-winning performances, and leadership as captain have solidified his reputation as a cricketing legend. Beyond the cricket pitch, Kohli's philanthropy, business acumen, and outspoken personality have made him an iconic figure off the field as well. His dedication, passion, and commitment to excellence have inspired a new generation of cricketers and fans around the globe. In every sense, Virat Kohli has exceeded the role of a sportsman. He's become a phenomenon, a symbol of determination and excellence. Virat Kohli has not just played cricket, he has shaped it, leaving a legacy that will be remembered